Good morning, students. For your periodic one, so here's this. I'm making this video to make you helpful. What are the topics that has been deleted for periodic one from the respective chapters which we are going to cover in our periodic one test. That means you go half yearly. And after this deduction, I'm going to tell you about the marking scheme. What is the marking scheme of your examination? So your code is 054. There's a business studies periodic one syllabus. So unit one complete is there. The nature and purpose of business. So sara yoga complete. There is no any deletion from the CBSE this time. And for unit 2, forms of business organization, the topics which are deleted is choice of form of business organization. This is the topic which has been deleted from this chapter. For unit 3, public, private and global enterprises. Global enterprises, features, joint venture, public-private partnership and its concept. These are the topics which has been deleted from chapter number 3 or unit 3. Now we have shifted to unit 6. Social responsibilities of business and business ethics. The term business ethics, concept and elements that has been deleted from the syllabus. So these are the topics which have been deleted from the syllabus. It's clear that these are the topics which are deleted from the respective chapters. Chapter 1 is complete. There is no any deletion in that chapter. The second thing comes that for this chapter, second chapter, forms of business organization, I have already given you the PDF notes of MOA, AOA. Please go with that. Okay? Don't go with your book. Whatever is there, PDF jada हैगा उन्हों चेंज करा करो. Do your assignments thoroughly. And for chapter number 6, I already given you the proper PDF in your easy class as well as in your respective group, WhatsApp groups, the PDF material, study material of chapter number 6. Please go with that. Okay? Don't go do anything from your book for only chapter number 6, for only unit number 6. Don't do anything. You can do the black exercise practice. You can check if you want. But whatever the notes I have given you for this chapter, go with that. Okay, unit 6. So further, I'm going to let you know about the marking scheme of it. So, bacha, this is the marking scheme. Now I'm going to discuss with you after discussing the deleted portion from the respective periodic ones syllabus. So 40 marks subjective paper will be there. Okay, covering unit 1, 2, 3 and 6. I already told you about this. And 40 marks objective, that is 40 MCQs will be there. Okay, so that will be your test will be before on your Google Forms only. You have to give your name, class, roll number properly. Don't give the fake names at all. Kindly, these are your marks which will be added in your further assessment also. Then for subjective paper, what is the criteria? As we having the 5 sections for business studies, section A, B, C, D, E. Make sure while attempting your paper on your answer sheet, kindly write your name, roll number, class on every sheet. Okay, section also, the class with section. Next, mention section A, first question. Don't change the question number by your own. If it has in part A, B, C, like suppose 3, A, B, C. Go with 3, A, B, C. Okay, don't give 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So section A, 1 mark question 1 will be there. Section B, 3 marks question 3 will be there. It carries 9. Section 3, 4 marks, 2 question 8 total. Section D, 5 marks, 2 question 10. And section E, 2 questions of 6 marks, 12 marks. So this is of 40. So proper PDF should be there. Don't scan, don't give me the link while sending the PDF in Google Classroom. You have to scan it and make it proper PDF. Proper PDF means whenever you are writing on your sheet, this is suppose your sheet. These are the last 2 lines. Leave these lines for every paper. Don't write on this because while evaluating we don't have the space. Although you have written, but we can't check it out. Okay? So don't write on the last 2-3 lines of it and start every section with mentioning section A. If it is suppose you are going to 2 lines of every section B, you are going to start. Don't write. Start on the very next page. Okay? For in business studies, give your best presentation skills and proper scanning, proper PDF. It should be in a horizontal way, not in this way. Not in a horizontal. It should be in a vertical way. Scan like this in a vertical manner. Page 1, page 2, page 3, or as many as you are using it. But it depends upon you. Proper presentation for the direct questions and for the lines. For the question, you have to code the lines. Certain questions are there. You have to code proper line. Don't write dash, dash management. Write down admitted commas, code the proper line. Whatever they have asked, feature, marriage, demerits, whatever it is. And if they have asked, explain. Read the question carefully. Whenever the question comes, code the lines and then explain. You people just quote it and write down the heading, the thing. Explain it also. Okay? Question paper on ध्यान ना पड़े. Then use proper presentation skills. Don't change question number or by your own. Question numbers नहीं आप चेंज करना. जो question paper देते देता है या वही. Question paper will be given to you in your Google Classroom, and time limits is there. Kindly deposit in your time duration. Please don't move either submission and all this. And don't get panics or link upload nahi ho raha. And although we have taken the test in your practice in Google Classroom, so you are already familiar with this. There is nothing like that कि आज तुम पता नहीं किसी को भी. जे नहीं पता तो प्रयोग पूछ लो टीचर को, ठीक है? की करना है? एक दिन पहला पूछ लो पेपर को भी, सर कल पेपर है, प्लीज टेल अस किदां अपलोड करना है. वीडियोस प्रॉपर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ग्रुप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਵੀ ਆਣਗੀਆਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So don't get panic. So this is the marking scheme, this is the guidelines for all your exams कि ਤੁਸੀਂ proper presentation ਜੋ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਸ਼ੀਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਥੱਲੜਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਨਾ ਲਾਸਟ 2-3 ਲਾਈਨਸ ਡੋਂਟ ਸਕੈਨ ਇਟ ਬਟ ਰਾਈਟ ਇਟ, क्योंकि प्रॉपर स्कैनिंग के चैकिंग मेरी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होनी है, ठीक है? ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, थैंक यू.